Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Maverick. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. Your new ride is just a phone call away.